Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica, and oh my goodness, I really did not remember the last time I filmed a video. I'm so horrible. I go through these stretches of doing really well and recording and uploading 2-3 times a week, and then nothing. I don't know what it is. I get overwhelmed, I get stressed, there's so much going on, and I just kind of dropped the ball on recording, which sucks because I actually like doing it. But here we are. As you guys can see, I have a little haul for you guys today. I am going to show you everything that I picked up from H&M. I've been holding on to this stuff, one, because it took forever for them to ship the items here, and two, I wanted to actually film this video. So it's been a while. This is when they opened back up the mall here by my house. So I figured these stores are holding on to these products. There has to be some sort of sale, and sure enough, there was. I think everything was 30 to 40% off, somewhere around there. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing what I picked up from H&M for my son, then definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, I do want to say if you do hear any noise in the background, I apologize. It is my Frenchie, and we all know they make a lot of noises. So, excuse that. But here is my bag. It's a pretty big bag. Some of the stuff I did buy in the store, and by the time I got to the checkout line, I realized that the entire store was on sale. I thought it was only certain areas. So when I got home, I ordered some more stuff online because the sale was extended online as well. So Mama ended up spending quite a bit of money. So anyways, let's go through these things. There's quite a bit. So first up, I got this cute little beanie for him. It says a future hero. I love mustard color, so I can't wait to go ahead and put this on. I got it in the size 3 to 14. My child has a big head, so I know this is going to fit him nicely now. Next up, if you guys don't know, I am a huge Disney lover. I love going to Disneyland, which is so sad that we haven't been able to go. It just makes me sad. But I picked him up this little fleece jumper with Mickey on it. Everything I got in a size 3T, just because I want things to last him a little bit longer. If you guys don't know, he just recently turned 2, so I definitely want clothes that he can grow into. So this here is a 3T, and it's really soft and really warm, and it'll be perfect for whenever they decide to go ahead and open Disneyland back up during, obviously, the winter time. Again, another Mickey outfit. This is a little 2-piece set. These are the mustard yellow pants with Mickey's face on it with the matching sweater. Again, I believe this is a 3T, and it's so cute. I also picked up this Tom and Jerry little sweatshirt. My husband absolutely loved this when I showed it to him. And it's just like, you know, our shows that we used to watch. Alright, next up is this little set. It is so cute. It's got the little bear here on the knee portion of the pants, and then the sweater is, of course, the bear. I love that it has like little detached ears right here. So this is so cute. I also got him this little set here. This one is a 2T. So these are the bottoms and then the matching top. Something really cute that he can just go ahead and wear around the house. It looks kind of like sleepwear to me, but it's not. But it's really cute. I actually really like it. Next up, I have this little set. I got a lot of sets because it just makes it so much easier sometimes to dress them, and I also like that you can go ahead and mix match the pieces, so you kind of get more outfits out of it when you buy things in sets. So this here, again, 3T. These are the pants right here. They're really, really warm. So if it ever like gets insanely cold here, then he is all set to go. Although lately it's been pretty freaking cold. And then the jacket to go with it. Again, another set. We've got this little Rolling Stones sweater. So cute. Tell me this is not cute. Got the sweater, and then it came with these like little joggers, which I actually really like the wash on them. So I can't wait to put him in these. Next up, I got him this little NASA sweatshirt. Very simple, cute. It's got these little prints on the sleeves, on both sleeves. And now we have another set. These are the striped yellow and beige pants with a little Winnie the Pooh sweater. This is so cute. Oh my god. I kind of feel it's a little girly, but it was in the boys section. And it's cute. So I don't care. I'm going to put it on him. And then the little hands, they're kind of like semi-detached. It's so cute. Oh my god. Can this all be over so I can go to Disneyland? At this point, it's probably not even for him. It's for me. So I'm sure there's a lot of other people out there who can relate to my love for Disney. Next up, I got these 3 sets of pants. Right here, it came in a pack of 3. So you got this one here with little woodland creatures on it. You got a pair of green ones. And these tan striped ones. And to go with that, I actually got the set of shirts. So it came with these 2. So you got the green one. And then, why is this dirty? And then the one with the woodland animals. So it's really cute. You can go ahead and interchange them. Like I said, you make more outfits out of them when you get sets and stuff like that. So love that. Next up, I got him this jean jacket here. I've been wanting to get him a jean jacket. I don't think I've ever had a jean jacket for him, which is weird. But I finally got him one. And he's going to hate it, but I'm going to love it. And he'll get used to it. So freaking cute. I love seeing kids in like their little jean jackets. Next, I got him this little shirt. These are all gonna still be, yeah, this is 2 to 4. So this is definitely going to last him for next season. So he's already getting stuff ready for his wardrobe for next season, which I'm going to show you here because I've got a bunch of shorts. We've got these little gray shorts right here. Got these black jean shorts here. Got these cute little jean shorts. They have like little trucks on them. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I know he's going to love these. We've got these little khaki shorts here. And then I got another pair of khaki shorts, but these have print on them, which I really like. And we've got these white shorts with the shark prints. And last but not least, we just got a plain little green t-shirt. Let me show you. It was $2. It was $2. Like, how could I not pick it up? So yeah, that is everything I got. Actually, I also got him 2 hooded sweatshirts, zip-up sweatshirts, a gray and a black, just so he can have with his outfits. Because he actually didn't have any. He grew out of the ones that he had. So I got him some new ones. And I got myself a couple of sweatshirts and a couple of t-shirts too. Because, I mean, it was on sale. So, but anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I really just wanted to go ahead and share everything that I got with you guys. And yeah. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below of what you would like to see next, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm a little bit more active on there, so definitely make sure you go ahead and follow me on there. And yeah, that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!